Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're shedding light on the Brightown outdoor string lights, hailed as the best deck string lights outdoor waterproof solution available. Whether you're looking to transform your backyard, patio, or garden, these lights promise to deliver both style and durability. These globe-shaped patio lights span 30 feet and feature 30G40 shatterproof bulbs, ensuring safety and longevity. Designed for outdoor use, they are weatherproof and can withstand various climates, making them perfect for year-round decoration. The lights are equipped with updated hooks for easy installation, eliminating the need for additional hardware. Each bulb consumes only 1 W of power, combining energy efficiency with a classic Edison bulb look. Built with weatherproof technology, these lights are all certified to withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions, ensuring long-term outdoor use without worries. With a 12-inch spacing between bulbs and the ability to connect up to 24 strands end-to-end, these lights offer flexibility in installation. They come with a 6-inch lead with a male plug and a 6-inch tail with a female connector, simplifying setup. Compatible with dimmers, these lights allow you to adjust the ambiance to suit any occasion, whether it's a cozy dinner or a lively outdoor party. These versatile lights are ideal for various outdoor settings, including backyards, patios, gazebos, pergolas, and more. They enhance the atmosphere for gatherings such as barbecues, weddings, birthdays, and festive celebrations like Christmas and New Year's Eve. To summarize, the Brightown outdoor string lights stand out as the best choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor spaces with reliable, stylish lighting. Their blend of energy efficiency, durability, and dimmer compatibility makes them a top contender in the market of outdoor string lights. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you're interested in creating a warm and inviting outdoor ambiance, consider adding these Brightown lights to your setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique.